saying that, honey? No?
Oh, you said you'd give me 1,000 pesos if I said that.
Good morning, everybody! Good morning, people! Good morning, YouTube! Good morning sa lahat!
Lottie Dottie, everybody. Good morning, everybody.
Guys, this morning, gagawa tayo ng blueberry pancake for breakfast. Kasi bumili ako ng mga ingredients kahapon. Ayan, bumili ako nito, guys. And bumili na rin ako ng blueberry. Ayan. Nakita ko to, guys, sa Robinson kahapon. Ayan, you can make pie, whatever you want with this. So, I am gonna make red pancake. Blueberry pancake. Ayan, Sharia. Yan yung breakfast natin today. This morning. Pasensya na kayo, guys, sa ating look. Dahil kagigising lang. So, guys, i-mix ko muna tong aking blueberry pancake and babalikan ko kayo. Ayan, mura lang ito, guys. No, I really don't know exactly, guys, yung price nito. Kasi ito, product of USA. So, I think it's, I don't know how much. Pero ito, mura lang. Mga 100 pesos. And may mix ko muna sila, guys. And babalikan ko kayo mamaya, ha? Right? So, guys, mix ko na siya. Ayan, may blueberry na siya dyan, guys. So, now, magluto na tayo. Let's do this. We can do this, guys. So, naglagay lang ako ng butter, guys. And then, ayan na siya. Very excited. First time ko siyang gawin. Blueberry pancake. Kailangan kasi kumain ni Habi before siya ng gamot niya. Kasi pag walang laman yung, guys, yung tiyan niya. Tapos, uminom siya ng gamot niya. Yung, nag-upset yung tummy niya. So, kailangan niya, kahit kaunti, guys, basta may laman yung tiyan niya. Pag, before niya iinumin yung medication niya. So, yan, nagluto ako ng pancake very early para kumain siya, guys, before siya mag-medication. So, this is what it looks like now. Looks so yummy. It's yummy, guys. So, let's see. Oh, you didn't try the pancake yet?
No.
Okay. Hindi pa tinatry ni Habi yung, ito yung akin, guys. Looks so good. Pero hindi ko alam kung masarap. Gusto ko sana nito, guys. Star margarine. Let's see. Ligpit ko muna itong mga kalat ko, mga beshe, oh. Daming kalat. So, guys, ligpit ko muna yan. And then, babalikan ko kayo. Sarap. Kalahati na lang mga beshe. So, tatry natin more. It's really good, guys. Sarap. Sarap ako siya. Next time siguro dagdagan ko siya ng blueberry. Kasi para hindi siya dry. Coffee, mga besh. Init. Kalahati na lang din kay Mr. guys, oh. So, do you like the blueberry pancake, honey?
Oh, they're excellent.
What's
Excellent,
that?
honey. You did an excellent job.
Really?
Thank you very much.
Are you just saying
I love
that?
you, honey.
Are you just saying that, honey? No?
Oh, you said you'd give me 1,000 pesos if I said that. Camellia.
What the heck? I'm glad you like it.
I need my coffee.
Oh, yan your coffee.
There we go. Thanks.
Happy husband, happy life.
You got that wrong. Happy wife, happy life. I have to always keep you happy, so then I have a happy life. That's the way it works. You know that.
Oh,
Don't
yeah.
try to change it.
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
Let me take another bite.
Okay. Approve, Abni. Approve.
Me kaayo.
Alright.
Thank you, honey.
Okay. Hello guys! Tapos na tayong kumain ng ating pancake. Blueberry pancake. Nakikiusap ako sa inyo mga besh. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell button guys naman. Para naman manood kayo guys pag meron akong bagong video. And thank you so much sa lahat ng mga suporta nyo. Thank you! Charot!